Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to stop reopening apps or folders on restart on Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Accounts from the left side list. Go to Sign In Options. Look for Automatically Save My Restartable Apps and Restart Them When I Sign Back. If you want to disable the option, turn the switch off. Open File Explorer. Click on the three dots at the top toolbar. Choose Options from the list. A new window will open. Go to View tab. Look for Restore Previous Folder Windows at Logon. Uncheck the option to disable it. Click on Apply and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!